River and Sia here from Magiq Atlas, and today we're headed over to Disneyland's Critter Country to visit our favorite little bear at the many adventures of Winnie the Pooh.
Winnie the Pooh is based off of Disney's 1977 movie version of the beloved AA Milne books. The attraction is chock full of characters from Pooh's entourage, and even includes those heffalumps and woozles that are always after Pooh's honey. This attraction is a slow-paced, inside dark ride that runs about 3 minutes in length, and although this ride is primarily aimed at young children, it really is a perfect ride for all ages. Following the ride, you can head to Pooh Corner to grab a yummy sweet treat, such as a honey pot caramel apple or marshmallow Tigger Tail, and then pop on over to wait for a photo with Pooh, Tigger, and the gang at their meet and greet location. If you want to see something special as you ride the many adventures of Winnie the Pooh, look up to the ceiling after the ride car leaves the heffalumps and woozles room, and you will see 3 characters from Country Bear Jamboree.
The Winnie the Pooh attraction has been in the works all the way back to the 70s, and Disney's Imagineers first made plans to implement the ride into Fantasyland, but this never came to fruition due to not having enough area to expand Fantasyland for a new attraction. This ride was added to Critter Country in 2003, and even though it was modeled after the original Walt Disney World attraction, it does bear some differences. For example, the ride cars here in Disneyland are cleverly designed as honeycombs as opposed to the honey pot-shaped ride cars of Disney World. The ride car gently rocks up and down as you ride, giving everyone a really relaxing ride experience.
This ride is actually one of our favorites here at Magiq Atlas.
Tucked all the way back in Critter Country, the ride itself is a great destination for families looking for a little quiet. If other members of your party are looking for a fast, thrilling ride, they can head across the path to Splash Mountain, where they're sure to let out a few screams and leave soaking wet.
Meanwhile, the less daring members of the group can enjoy some respite with all the things Winnie the Pooh has to offer.
If you're interested in seeing the Fantasia Show during your time at the park, we suggest hitting up Winnie the Pooh, the Haunted Mansion, and Splash Mountain just before or just after, so you can stay close to where you'll grab your seat.
We will say, however, that the heffalumps and woozles portion of the ride can be a bit scary for some of the youngest audiences. Check out our ride through to see if it'll be an enjoyable ride for your whole party. Make sure to check out all of Pooh's honey pots to see all the creative ways he chooses to spill honey. As an indoor ride, it's a great spot to get a little respite from the California sun. The Imagineers and landscaping crew have done an amazing job of keeping this corner feeling autumnal year-round. At night, however, is when this ride becomes even more magical. One of our favorite things about Disneyland is the perfectly placed lamps, lanterns, and lights, and the many adventures of Winnie the Pooh certainly lives up to this.
This is one of our favorite rides. Even my service dog Ebby loves it. It's a great trip down memory lane, and every touch in and out of the ride leaves you smiling.
We love this ride and would give it 7 out of 10 Mickey ears for all audiences.
Thanks for watching, and make sure to comment your favorite memory from this attraction. Throw us a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell for a great big beautiful tomorrow. This is Magiq Atlas, bringing the magic to you.